Girl, kung wala ka pa nito, I'm telling you, you should get this. This is from JMCY Cosmetics. On the other side, matte siya, and on the other side, gloss naman siya. And tama yung mga nabasa kong reviews na ang lakas ng maka Kiko Milano vibe. Ito yung favorite ko from Kiko Milano. Yung shade is 103. And then, ito naman yung gamit ko right now. Yan yung naka-apply sa lips ko. Shade is NR03. I think this is the mocha brown. And look at the shades. Almost the same, even the packaging. Of course, nasa mas abot kayang side yung JMCY. Mas affordable to, yet yung finish nila are almost the same. And also, transfer-proof na siya and smudge-proof. Para mas makita natin yung comparison, buburahin ko muna yung naka-apply sa lips ko para on this side, i-apply natin yung Kiko Milano and on the other side, yung JMCY. Okay, so on this side is yung Kiko Milano. Siyempre, ang gloss, huwag kalimutan. Sa other side naman tayo. Almost same shade talaga sila. Diba? And of course, the gloss. Super hygienic ng ganitong applicator, ah. Can you tell the difference? Almost the same shade sila. Ito yung Kiko, ito yung JMCY. Parang mas orangey lang to, pero almost the same, even the finish. I like it. I like it very much. Ang ganda. Perfect dupe for Kiko Milano. Super bet. Tsaka in fairness, yung feels niya, kahit gloss siya, hindi siya yung gloss na nakakairita kasi ang sticky. Ito hindi. But wait, there's more. I have another shade here. I have the NR06, or I think this is the Crimson Cream. Let's try this one naman. If you want red shade, get this one, the NR06 or the Crimson Cream. Ang gandang lakas makatisay, girl. And girl, meron pa silang ibang mga shades. Check my yellow basket.